Hi, my name is Jenny Lejon and I'm a Chemical Solutions Manager here at Emerson. Today I'm going to show you how to configure and run a smart echo level test for the Rosemount 3408 level transmitters. The smart echo level test is a remote partial proof test that allows you to verify the functionality of the transmitter while still installed on a tank and without changing the actual level. To perform this test, we will need a HART modem, the AMS device configurator software, and the latest FDI package for your Rosemount 3408. After connecting to your device, you can access the Smart Echo Level test through the following steps. Select Rosemount Radar Master Plus, select Proof Test. You can now configure or run the test. If you have not previously configured the test, click Configure Smart Echo and enter a level for the virtual echo. Note that the configured level is normally the position of safety high or low and needs to be more than 12 inches away from the currently measured surface. Click Save. And after completing the configuration, you can now run the test by selecting Smart Echo Level Test and verify that the desired Smart Echo level previously configured is correct. Click Start. Make sure to read the warning sign before clicking Yes. As you can see, the transmitter is creating a simulated echo as the level you configured and is now treating that echo as the real surface echo. And remember to check that the device output matches the loop current. Click Stop to end the proof test. Now you can easily test your system behavior at alarm levels. It's that easy to run the Smart Echo Level test for the Rosemount 3408 level transmitters. If you have any questions, please reach out to the nearest Emerson representative.